Hey everybody, this is Jessica Lynn of Jessica Lynn Original. Ever heard of the Creative Scrapbooker magazine? Well, I am so excited to announce that Jessica Lynn Original has not one, but two cards featured in the Winter 2018-2019 edition of this amazing magazine. I am so excited. I cannot wait to share it with you. Be sure to go and pick it up. It is available at newsstands up until February 28th. So you got a little time to go and pick it up. This is the first time that I have ever actually submitted a card to this magazine, and you can see they even featured our amazing Celine Kittens. Now you may have watched my YouTube channel before, and if not, I will link the video on how I made this card. But I went ahead and created it, and I knew that there was something special about it when I was done. And I thought, you know what? Why not try? I've never tried to submit to this magazine before, and we were a first time published in the magazine. They were wonderful to work with. If you've never tried, I highly suggest that you send your cards to, look around and find different areas where you can send them, or try this magazine as well. They were wonderful to work with. And you can see there's the original card. They even sent it back to me, and it was featured on the page. It's page number 128, so if you're looking for it, if you head off to a store, be sure to take a picture of you with that page. I'd love to feature it on our Instagram and our Facebook. But they even featured the stamp set called Celine's Kittens, which means so much to me because I designed a set for each one of my daughters, one a kitten and obviously one a puppy. So after we published this and sent it off to them, we got an email from one of our former design team members, Jennifer, and she said, "Hey, wait a minute, you said you got a card in the magazine? Well, guess what? So did I." So Jennifer created a beautiful card using one of our stamps. It's a love set that we have called It Was Always You, and it's out available on our website. We still have some of them available, not many, so if you really like this design, be sure to go pick it up quickly because I bet after this we won't have many left. Her design is on page 24, and look at how beautiful. She did this watercolor thing that matched the waves. I absolutely love it. No pun intended. How much fun is it? I'm overwhelmed. Just so that you know, if you do submit a Jessica Lynn Original stamp card using one of our stamps, we will give you credit in the store. And don't forget to send me a picture. I'd love to see what you guys create. I'd love to see if you make it in the magazine. It's amazing. Thank you so much for everything. If you are brand new to our channel, be sure to subscribe or comment below. If you've been with us before, you're awesome and you know it. Don't forget to comment, and I do thank you again. All of our stamps are available at jessicalynoriginal.com.